Unleaded, $4.99, $5.19 for the plus, $5.39 for the super, $5.15 for diesel. That's gone up a few bucks. It was like $19.99 or $18.99 originally. Corey Ann. Oh, bear. Coming over here. Oh, that's a big ass bear. We'll go over here. Hey, you got 3 bears. Three bears right in front of you. Yeah. Yeah, mom and 2 cubs. Yep, she was heading this way. Yeah, too good to go the other way. Mom and 2 cubs. She seems pretty.
We're going literally that way.
She's going the other way now. Yeah, they're heading back. Set by the bears. So, break time. There's a plunk out there. But, yeah, that's some cosmic fuzz. Saw a couple bear, well, 3, mom and 2 cubs. And a couple tweaker bears. But other than that, pretty quiet out there. Didn't even see the fuzz. They must be on break. Yep, pretty dark out there. Well, and a sip for Poseidon. This break is over. Damn. Sleeping rough, yeah. Oh, we got tow hitch. There's an old come along. A DeWalt jigsaw. They have lots of straps. You never know. The Northern Star. This is the impound lot here. This will be going up for auction. Old wooden gill netter, or no, long liner, huh? Probably mostly, yeah. See girdies and stuff hanging off of it. There's, you know, get you going. It's kind of cheap.